Is a waste oil extractor of pneumatic type. This machine is much suitable to extract oil from a car. Just have a look of its parts. These three pipes are the attachment to extract oil from a car. These three pipes has to be connected with this attachment. This is the vacuuming device of this machine. And when the machine has to be used for manual draining, then this hopper can be used. And if we have to drain this tank, then here we have to connect the air inlet, compressed air inlet. And this is the measuring beaker of this machine. We can measure the amount of oil drained from a vehicle. When we have to drain oil from a vehicle, then we have to pull out its oil gauge from the vehicle. After pulling out the oil gauge, we have to insert the pipe of appropriate size in the vehicle at the place of oil gauge. After fitting the appropriate pipe attachment in that oil gauge, we have to connect the machine with this pipe. Here we have to connect that. After connecting this pipe, we have to connect compressed air supply on this point. Before making the compressor on, we have to make sure that these three valves should be shut off. This valve and this valve shut off. This valve has to be shut off. This valve has to be shut off. Now we can make the compressor on. Vacuum will start creating in this machine, in this jar, and oil will start coming. Now we can easily measure the quantity of oil extracted from the vehicle in this jar, which can be in 1 liter, 2 liter or 3 liters. When oil will completely drain out, then after suction of complete oil, we have to make compressor valve off. The vacuum gauge will come at 0, and we can check the total amount of oil extracted from the vehicle. And now we can drain out this vehicle in the tank. It will be drained in the tank with the help of this valve. After opening this valve, this oil will go in this bottom tank. After getting it, now after emptying the jar, and when our tank filled up to 60 liters or 80 liters, now we have to drain out of the oil from this tank also. This is the drain pipe of this tank. For emptying this tank, we have to connect a compressed air supply on this point also. Now, after opening the compressed air, we have to regulate the pressure up to 1 bar. Now air is entering in the tank and the oil is coming out from this pipe. The oil will come out with this pressure. As we have checked the automatic pneumatic operation of this machine, and this machine can be used as a manual oil drain machine when the car is lifted on a lift. As we have seen that this machine is very useful for a mechanic's workshop. This machine can drain out the old oil from a vehicle in minutes, in 2 or 3 minutes only. Thank you.